Are you ready to take control of your future and start making money from home on your own terms in 2022? Get ready, because this guide will show you exactly how to get started making money online with content and affiliate marketing. The great thing about making money from home in 2022 is that you don't need any special skills or experience. You can start doing it right now, using the tips and techniques in this guide. With a little effort and perseverance, you can make a good income from home in just a few months. Ways to make money from home with content and affiliate marketing. There are many different ways to make money from home with content and affiliate marketing. Here are some of the most popular methods. 1. Create your own blog or website and regularly update it with content about frequently searched keywords. You can then use affiliate marketing to make money from sales of products and services related to your blog content. 2. Use social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter and Instagram to share links to your content and promote products and services that you are affiliated with. 3. Write ebooks or articles about topics that people are interested in and post them on sites like Amazon Kindle and other article directories. You can then include affiliate links in your articles to make money when people purchase the products or services that you recommend. 4. Produce videos about popular topics and upload them to YouTube. Then use affiliate marketing to make money from product or service sales that result from your videos. 5. Create your own digital products like downloads or an online course. You can make money using affiliate marketing by selling these products to your list of email subscribers or via social media platforms. Now that you know all about the different ways to make money from home in 2022, you are ready to get started. There are lots of different options for making money with content and affiliate marketing, so it's up to you which ones you choose. Just make sure that when you're planning your strategy, you factor in time for managing your online business. Selling digital products online is not a get-rich-quick scheme, but it can be very rewarding if done well. We wish you all the best with your content and affiliate marketing business, which is why we're going to cover all of these methods in detail. Regardless of which method you choose, making money online all comes down to creating content that other people find helpful. Not only will this help your content get more organic traffic, but it will also lead to more sales. Creating quality content. When it comes to making money from home in 2022, creating quality content is the key to success. Here are some tips for creating content that will help you make money online. 1. Choose a topic that people are interested in and write about it in a way that is interesting and helpful. 2. Research your topic inside and out so that you can provide valuable information to your readers. 3. Write in a clear, concise, and easy-to-read style. 4. Use images, infographics, and videos to break up your text and make your content more engaging. 5. Make sure your content is original and of high quality. But where does the money actually come from? This is one of the biggest questions for people new to making money online. They often wonder if making money online is even possible, and how it can work for stay-at-home moms and solopreneurs. These days, the most popular method of earning an income on your own terms online is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing gives anyone the opportunity to earn a living online by simply creating content about the offers they promote. Affiliate marketing. What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is a process through which you promote products and services for other businesses in exchange for a commission on any sales that result from your efforts. Sounds pretty simple, right? And it is. All you need to do is create helpful content about the products or services you're promoting and include links to those products or services within your content. When someone clicks on one of your links and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. There are many different ways to make money with affiliate marketing, but the most popular way is by creating content. There are many different types of content that can be used to promote affiliate offers, but the three most popular are articles, videos, and social media posts. Article marketing. One of the best ways to make money with affiliate marketing is by writing articles. As an affiliate marketer, you can write articles about the products or services you're promoting and include links to those products or services within your content. When someone clicks on one of your links and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. There are many different ways to make money with article marketing, but the most popular way is to write informative and helpful articles that provide value to your readers. When you focus on providing valuable information in your articles, you'll find that people are more likely to click on your links and make a purchase. Video marketing. Another great way to make money with affiliate marketing is by making YouTube videos. Not only is video content incredibly popular, but since YouTube is owned by Google, these videos can rank organically in search results, bringing you even more traffic. When it comes to making money with affiliate marketing through YouTube videos, the key is to make helpful and informative videos that people will want to watch. You can make money by promoting affiliate products or services in your videos, or you can use your videos to drive traffic to your website or blog where you sell those products and services. Social media marketing. Another great way to make money with affiliate marketing is by using social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Social media is a great way to reach a large audience quickly and easily. When it comes to social media marketing for affiliates, the key is to post engaging and interesting content that will make people want to click on your links and make a purchase. The best part about all this is that once your audience begins to grow, you will start making sales around the clock, even while you're sleeping and on vacation. In short, there are many different ways to make money with affiliate marketing. But the most popular way is by creating content. So if you're looking for a way to make money from home in 2022, give content marketing and affiliate marketing a try. You won't be disappointed when you start making money while sleeping.